Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is the weekend. That means that it's time for the weekly chart breakdown. And last week we had some beautiful moves, so let's see how this week plays out. As always, we start off on the pair GBPJPY on the weekly time frame, and as we can see, we had this previous weekly resistance zone here. We had broken above, came down to retest, but could not hold it as a support. We did break below the weekly support right here with the last weekly candle. This is also a bearish variation pattern. So from here on, we are still in a bullish trend, so I will be careful looking for sells as of right now. So as we go down into the daily time frame, we can see a little more. So here we see that the last daily candle closed in the form of a spinning top or doji. That means that the market is in indecision right here. So what I would ideally wait for before entering trade at all is for either a break above this weekly level again, wait for retest, then look to buy up into this daily level here, or we would wait and see if price can break below this previous support on the daily time frame to then wait for retest and look to sell back down into the next daily level. Now these are the two opportunities as of right now, because mind that we are still in an overall bullish trend, but here is currently forming a form of counter bearish trend, as you can see here. So as long as we stay below this weekly level, we can look to sell back down, and if we should break above and also break the trend line, we can see to continue buying up, and as well as if this support does not hold, we will look to sell back down. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the last candle was a bullish candle, like a bullish engulfing. So what could happen now is the price from this support zone here could push up into this previous resistance and then look to sell back down. If that should not happen, like I already said, like if we break above this high here, we could wait for a retest on this weekly level to then look to buy it up into the next daily level. Now coming to the pair GBPUSD. So here last week we had a huge bullish, beautiful engulfing candle, and we did manage to close above previous weekly resistance. So that means that we just broke structure on the weekly and also on the daily time frame, since we have created a new high right here. So as you can see here, we have been in an uptrend for a few weeks now. So we had our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and currently we're at the higher high position. So what we could expect now is for price to come down into this weekly and daily level right here and retest it, and if it should hold as a support, we could see then for price to continue up higher. So my BS overall on GBPUSD is pretty bullish as of right now if we continue on this trend. If this should not happen, like if we do not hold this area here as a support, we can see price break below, wait for a retest, and then look to sell back down into this daily time frame here. And then just it's a waiting game. Like if we hold it here, we could continue to buy it up. If it breaks below, of course, then we will continue to look for sells. Now, if price should not react off of this previous resistance right here and just burst above, I would like and see for price to close above on the 4-hour time frame, then wait for a retest, and then look to continue buying up into this next level here, which would be the 122,000 over here approximately. That will be our next targeting level. So overall, GBPUSD pretty bullish, I'd say, and I am currently only looking for buys. Now the gold dollar pair is pretty similar to GBPUSD. As you can see here, we have this weekly level which held perfectly at a support, and that also was my BS last week, that we could see a huge bullish push. That's exactly what we got, and we did manage to close above the daily level on a resistance level, and then on the next weekly time frame level here, as you can see here, we had previous support, and then we came below, broke back above. So we're currently trading above the weekly level, so that is a lot of bullish signs. Now we're going to go down to the daily time frame. We can also see that we did break the previous high here, so that means that we're building bullish structure. So we're currently at a high point, so that's why we'd like to see a retest back into this weekly level here. If it should hold as a support, we can see buying it up into this level, and if that should not happen and we would come down into the daily level here, then retest this zone here and then look to continue buying it up. So my BS on gold also pretty bullish as of right now. I will only look for sales if we do manage to come back below this daily level here, then I would wait for a retest and then look to sell back down into this next level here. But overall bullish BS for this upcoming week. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.